Technical Mechanical here. Today I'll be showing you how to replace the front turn signal bulbs. First thing you need to do is remove the front headlight and place it on a towel. I'll be putting a link in the description below on how to remove the headlight if you don't know how to do that already. You will need a 7mm socket in order to remove the mounting bracket from the headlight assembly. This part's a little bit tricky. You have to use 2 fingers in order to push the 2 tabs in so you can remove the bulb. Make sure the new bulb is fully seated. Loving the new look of the LED instant flash. Thanks for watching, guys. Give me a thumbs up if this video is helpful to you. Subscribe if you haven't already.